Hello guys. Welcome to our SAP Basics Explained series. Hope you'll remember what was discussed in our last videos. Today we are going to discuss various modules in SAP ERP. But before that, let me ask you a question. I'm going to give you 4 letters, and I want you to think about what they have in common. Are you ready? Think. The answer might surprise you. All of these letters are used as the first letter in SAP T codes. But wait, there's more. There's actually a reason why these letters were chosen. Each letter corresponds to a certain type of T code. What if I tell you that you can guess the broad nature of a transaction just by hearing the T code? Well, that's true. The first letter of a T code represents the module where it is used. What is a module then? So we all know by now that SAP is an enterprise resource planning, ERP, software that helps businesses manage their day-to-day operations. It has various modules that handle different business functions. Each module is designed to manage specific business processes and provides a suite of tools and functionalities to support these processes. SAP has got more than 20 modules, but we will discuss the prominent ones for the sake of keeping the video short. Let's start with Financial Accounting, FI, module. This module deals with managing financial transactions such as accounts payable, accounts receivable, general ledger accounting. The T code starting with the letter FR for FI module. Materials Management, deals with managing procurement processes such as purchase order management, inventory management, etc. The T code starting with the letter MR for module. Sales and Distribution, SD, module deals with managing sales processes such as sales order management, pricing, and delivery. The T code starting with the letter VR for SD module. T codes starting with the letter Y, Z are custom developed T codes that are specific to a particular company's requirements or business processes. Each module is made up of various sub-modules. A sub-module is a smaller part of a larger module that performs a specific function. For example, FI module has sub-modules called Accounts Payable, AP, Accounts Receivable, R, General Ledger Accounting, GL, Asset Accounting, AA, Bank Accounting, BAR, etc. Sub-module Accounts Payable, AP, manages the organization's payment to vendors and suppliers. It includes functions such as invoice processing, payment processing, and vendor account reconciliation. Sub-module Accounts Receivable, AR, manages the organization's incoming payments from customers. It includes functions such as invoice creation, payment tracking, and customer account reconciliation. General Ledger Accounting, GL, manages the organization's overall financial accounting and reporting. It includes functions such as journal entries, balance sheet and income statement creation, and financial statement analysis. Asset Accounting, AA, manages the organization's fixed assets such as buildings, machinery, and vehicles. It includes functions such as asset acquisition, depreciation, retirement, and disposal. Bank Accounting, BAR, manages the organization's banking transactions, including bank reconciliation, cash management, and electronic fund transfers. SAP integrates various models and functionalities to provide a comprehensive enterprise resource planning, ERP, solution. The integration of these models is achieved through a common data structure, business processes, and user interfaces. An example to show the inter-module integration in SAP involving SD and FI module using the function invoice creation. When a customer places an order for a product, the sales order is created in the SD module. The sales order triggers the creation of a corresponding delivery document in the SD module to deliver the product to the customer. The delivery document updates the inventory in the module, reducing the quantity of the product in stock. After delivery, the billing process is triggered in the SD module to create a sales invoice for the product. The sales invoice references the delivery document, and the quantity of the product delivered is automatically populated in the invoice. The accounting entries for the sales transaction are then posted in the FI module, updating the customer's account in the accounts receivable subledger. Thus, a simple invoicing involves 3 modules. The above example was of inter-module integration in SAP. Now we would see an example of intra-module integration in SAP. An example to show the intra-module integration of sub-modules in SAP involving asset module, AM, with general ledger, GL, module with the function of asset acquisition and depreciation posting. When an asset is acquired, the acquisition value is posted to the asset master record in the asset accounting module. The acquisition value is then posted to the general ledger as a debit to the asset account and a credit to the vendor or cash account. The asset accounting module calculates depreciation for each asset and posts it to the general ledger. The depreciation amount is posted as a debit to the depreciation account and a credit to the accumulated depreciation account in the general ledger. So we have tried to explain with real-life example of working of SAP. There's still a lot to discuss. Stay tuned to know why FI module is often called FICO, what is CO and FICO and how businesses control their budget using SAP.